before we dive right on in. I am an employee support pre-arrival specialist here at Avant Healthcare Professionals, and my goal is to make sure by the time you arrive, you're fully prepared. It's my job to discuss with you everything from your family plans, finances, driving skills, and so much more as you get closer to your U.S. arrival. Make sure to keep track of your points as we go along. Every right answer is 1 point. So, question 1. Multiple choice. So there are going to be a couple here that are correct and one or more that are incorrect. What topics are there to ask for your employee support specialist? If you have questions for me, where is my area of expertise? Multiple choice. Can I answer questions about financial preparations, family travel preparations, driving in the U.S., what to expect during the cultural transitions program, your Disney vacation booking, or questions about settling in the city and state of your assignment? Multiple can be correct. All right, excellent. So everyone is coming to the consensus so far that F is the correct answer. So we'll give it a couple seconds here for other people to pop on. Perfect. So Diana and Clarissa, everyone's in agreement. Everyone's thinking F. Let's see here. So there are multiple correct on this one. So on my end, I can help you with your financial preparations, family travel preparations, driving in the U.S., what to expect during the cultural transitions program, and questions about settling in the city and state of your assignment. Oh, excellent. I see Anna and Violet got multiple of those right. Raymond, close. While I do personally love Disney World, I can't help you book your Disney World vacation. So how long will you have access to your employee support pre-arrival specialist? Is it through the end of your contract? From the time you begin the immigration process until you arrive in the United States? Until the end of all time and space? Or a one-time 5-minute call? So you'll have access to me as your pre-arrival specialist from the time you begin the immigration process until you arrive in the United States. Now that doesn't mean you can't email me with questions, but at that time you'll actually be assigned an employee support specialist that you'll work with both in a team style format as well as face-to-face. Perfect. All right, and Olajumoke also, I think we're in agreement. We think it's F? Is it? It is! So you'll be taught all of these amazing things and more. That really is just the tip of the iceberg in what is covered during the cultural transitions program as a whole. All bits of vital information that really help in your transition to the United States. All right, so you've got Roussel with C, Christelle C, Rajil also with C. I think we have a consensus. Is it as soon as possible? I think everyone's in agreement, and it is. So definitely as soon as possible, make sure to start preparing those funds so you give yourself as much time to work on the appropriate amount of savings. Apples with E, Chippo with E, Rajil above with E, Eli as well. Let's see if everyone's correct. Exactly. Excellent work, Nelson and Mary, also with E. That is the correct answer. So especially as you're getting ready to really put those items in your luggage, obviously the bigger the piece of the luggage, the more temptation that we're going to have to fill the luggage, which can add to extra baggage fees and of course those overage fees. All right, so the ways to bring your money into the United States, at least the top two that many of our healthcare professionals tend to go with, are via international wire transfer and via international debit or credit card. So bringing cash only is never advised, mainly because it's a lot of money to have on your person, and for safety and security reasons, please don't bring all of your money in cash. The rest can be done in other ways. International bank draft or money orders are also not a good way, mainly because it can take up to 4 weeks for that to clear with your US bank. And you'll want to have access to your funds very early on before that. And then with an international wire transfer, as well as the international debit or credit card, both excellent ways to bring money into the United States. Tricilia, hi! Oh my gosh, it's so nice to see you! Oh, I had the pleasure of working with her during her transition. Tricilia is amazing. I'm so happy to see you. Amar is saying to see snow. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Just make sure you dress in layers, and we do go over preparing for the wintertime season during the Cultural Transitions program. Rich Bell's saying to work as a nurse. Excellent. The nursing practice in the US and the snow. Oh. Wonderful. A better opportunity for your sons, Tara. That is wonderful and an amazing reason to come to the United States. Whether it's to have better opportunity in their education, more opportunity in their career path as they get older, that is fantastic reasoning. Ashquill saying a different environment, definitely. Working while on vacation. Excellent. Well, there's just something special about, having that opportunity to work and being able to see a lovely beach or a glorious mountain range. Oh, Tara's saying hot weather. Ooh, if you're looking for hot weather, amazing states like New Mexico, Arizona, and Texas are phenomenal for that. Well, all amazing reasons to come to the United States. Thank you all so much for your time. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. Feel free to send us a private message if you would prefer. And if you haven't already, click that link to apply now. I hope to work with you going forward in the future. Thank you all for everything, and have a great day.